Start a profitable micro sourdough bakery from home for £300. You've got a dream. You can almost smell it, can't you? The warm, tangy scent of freshly baked sourdough filling your home. You can picture the proud smiles on your customers' faces as they pop over to collect their beautiful, crusty loaves. Then, reality bites. That little voice in your head starts whispering about five-figure bank loans, crippling overheads, and mountains of paperwork. You think starting a real, profitable food business from your own kitchen is just a fantasy that will cost you a fortune. Well, I'm here to tell you that voice is dead wrong. What if I told you that you can start a legally compliant, successful, and deeply rewarding sourdough microbakery for just £300? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Just a couple of years ago, I was standing right where you are now. I had a passion for baking, a tiny domestic kitchen, and a powerful sourdough starter bubbling away on my counter. Turning it into a business felt completely out of reach. But I decided to just try. I navigated the regulations, I found clever hacks for affordable equipment, and I built a loyal customer base right here in my local community. Today, I sell out every single week, and I did it all without taking out a single loan. And now, I'm giving you the complete blueprint. Section 1, the £300 myth-busting budget. First things first, let's shatter the biggest myth of all. You do not need thousands of pounds to get started. You don't. You need to be resourceful, you need to be smart, and you need to focus only on what is absolutely essential. Forget the commercial mixers and the fancy proofer ovens for now. Our goal is to get you selling your first loaf legally and professionally with minimal financial risk. Here's the exact breakdown of how to think about that £300 budget. First, your essential equipment. Your Dutch oven can be found for around £50–70, or second-hand for £25. A digital scale will cost around £15–20. Proofing baskets cost around £20 for a set. Dough scrapers, about £10. Bread lame, around £8. Mixing bowl if needed, under £10. Total core kit, around £90. Ingredients, 10 kg flour, £15–20. Sea salt, £5. Budget around £30. Legal and admin, food safety certificate, £12–20. Registering with HMRC, free. Registering with local council, free. Packaging, 100 paper bags, around £15. Let's tally that up. £90. Equipment, £30. Ingredients, £20. Certificate, £15. Packaging. Total, £155. That leaves £145 from your £300 budget for contingency, public liability insurance, or buffer. Starting for under £300 isn't just possible, it's practical. Section 4. Nailing your product and pricing. Updated pricing section. A price between £4 and £7 per loaf is perfectly reasonable for genuine homemade sourdough. Selling at £250 isn't a business, it's a hobby you're funding. Full £300 essential kit and ingredient list. Starting a profitable sourdough micro-bakery from your own kitchen for under £300. Bonus tip, share your micro-bakery journey on YouTube as a small business. Post bake-alongs, behind the scenes, and real costs. Over time, ad revenue, sponsors, and product links build reliable extra income,